Callahan, Dr. FileFinder, and welcome back to part 2 of our 10-part special series on IrfanView. Today I'm going to look at special effects, and there are a lot of them in IrfanView. So I've got an image loaded in IrfanView. We'll click Image. We'll move down here to Effects. Now you'll see I could add effects one at a time from here, but in order to show you the range of effects that IrfanView has, I'm going to go to the Effects browser. So you can see it brings it up here. And on the left-hand side, it shows the original image. On the right-hand side, it shows what the image will look like when the effect is applied. So I'm just going to show you some of them because there are so many. There's blur, emboss is fairly dramatic, edge detection gives you a really cool effect, explosion, pixelize, sharpen. There are effects for red eye reduction. There's raindrops on your camera lens, sepia. Gives you that old-fashioned photo look. Fragment it, twirl it. Kind of a cool wave effect. Swirl. You can do a radial blur, a zoom blur, kind of a pop-out. Rock is very cool. I've used that for wallpaper. There's a relief. And there are circular waves. Cylindrical effect. Shift the colors. You can do metallic, gold. When you find the effect that you want, you can also change the effect by moving the slider. So you can see that I could increase the level of gold. With, say, raindrops, there are no settings that I can change. But with many of them, there are settings I can change so that I can change the effect to be the way I want it to be. Then when I have it the way I want, I click OK. And there's my image totally swirled around. Now say I don't like it. All I have to do is click Edit, Undo, and there's my image back the way it was. When you've put an effect in an image, make sure you click File, Save As, and save it as a new file. And that's all there is to it.